Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I have got some goodies to show y'all today. These will be in my Etsy shop by the time this video is released, I'm sure, being as that's the next thing that I'm going to do. It is a journal and folio combo, and I'm super excited to share it with y'all. And I think first we're going to dive into the folio. Let me pull out some of these goodies that got stuck in there. Okay, so as usual, yes, it is tied up with some sari silk because it's too chunky to stay closed. Not a bad thing, right? Not a bad thing. Okay. All right, here we go. Yeah, I love that sound. So squishy, squishy. Y'all, look, just look. Overflowing with gorgeousness all in here. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay. So on our first or top little page, we got this pretty little girl, some applique. I've trimmed all around, making her a nice frame. Tons of laces tucked up underneath and in. Appliques. I don't know if the sparklies are coming through on the video, but there are so many pearls and sequins here. It's just delicious. I know that's kind of a silly word to use when describing something that you're looking at that you can't eat, but it really, really, really is. I'm going to explain all of this in a minute. But basically I've got 3 pockets embedded in with some jumbo journals, and I've got that kind of hanging over right there because I just thought that was so pretty. Okay, let's open it up. And here we've got another pretty little girl with a frame and a gorgeous applique. Some gorgeous overflowing of lace. Okay, I'm gonna completely open it up. Let me see if y'all can see all of it. Because I want y'all to, yep, you can. Okay, I want y'all to be able to see all of it at once. Just to take in all of the deliciousness, all of the yummy. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let's start over here on the left side. So I made a tuck space with a bunch of lace and sparklies and beads and more dangles and papers, samples, prints, which I am in love with, and I've got another idea for them that hopefully I'll be able to start working on today. I don't know. I've got a wedding journal request to begin working on. So I don't know what. Anyway, here, some ephemera. I've got a little coin pocket. I've added a little bit of applique, a little bit of collaging, and a cute little bow. And a little postcard. Plenty of room to write throughout the journal and on the ephemera pieces. Y'all would not believe what this is made out of. This and the journal is made out of, it was this brown paper, fat, kind of meshed together padding that was put into a shipment of candles that I ordered. And I just thought it would be perfect to make with. I love the sound and the feel and the workability of it. I use it. This is the second or third time that I've made something substantial with it. All right, over here I've made a pocket out of another one of Sam Poole's designs, and laces and collaging and pearls and flowers. And y'all, look how pretty that is, just hanging over there. That little bow and little pretty pieces, pieces of trim. And here I just tied together and lightly collaged 3 more of those prints. And this, I was wondering what to do with this. I made several of these on some really, really old typing paper, some antique typing paper, vintage typing paper. And I embossed it, and then I lightly went over the embossing with a little bit of Distress ink. And I just thought it was so pretty. And so I folded it and tucked it down in there. I just think it's just a gorgeous piece to have. I'm going to leave these over here so we don't take up a bunch of time putting it all back in. And I just love those little beads right there. Oh, the numerous tucks. Oh my goodness, those sequins. Okay, over here, another pocket. Just a ton of different collaging, appliques, stacked laces and fabrics. All of these goodies up underneath. You know what? I've got to share this with Esme so she can see all of her beautiful laces. Crafty Me Shop on Facebook is where I get most of them. Not all, but most. Alright, so I made this little teeny tiny lace journal. How cute is that? Just made out of lace. And of course, an applique. Because, again, yum. Okay. Here is a little, I think this might have been sample print as well. So you can turn it this way. I kept the theme of all the lace really hanging off. Or you can turn it this way. Got a cute little bow. And again, it's just another tiny little place just to jot or to journal a little bit. Bunch of pretty little papers and little parchment. I got it lined with music sheet. Y'all, I love it. I know, I love it. All right, so let's look at our journal. Jumbo tags. And I know it's really too much to take in this quick and through video, but I had to share. Had to share all the yum. So pretty. I just love that. And this sari silk. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy with how everything came out. And on the back, I did put a gorgeous rose applique just to finish it off. Even from the back, I mean, just look. And I don't know if y'all can see all of the pearls hanging down and everything, but it is just gorgeous. Oh, let me talk about these for just a minute. So I just wanted something to kind of separate each pocket, even though the lace runs all the way across. I wanted some sort of separation. So this is sari silk that I've tied a piece, and it's only tied. You could certainly remove it if you want and use it on, you know, somewhere else. But I just love the way that it looks. I tied it so everything has its own little space, and then when you shut it, to me, it just adds to the, you know, of the very bottom of this folio. I love it. Again, it's beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at the journal. So I wanted everything to be flowing and, you know, kind of cascading off. So I have this come from that dress that I bought at the thrift shop. This was under it, you know, part of the tool light that made the dress so full. And I've stacked lace up, and I've stacked it all so that it kind of is very full and very flowing. On top of the brown paper packing material, I added parchment so that we get that. And I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so on back you can see how the base is. Here's the laces. And then another lace on top of that, and then another lace underneath there for the top. And then I used a sample design here, and I've tucked this vintage doily handkerchief thing. It's not a handkerchief, but it's not exactly a doily either. I'm not sure what it's called. But we got that here, more applique here, more applique here, sparkly sequin fabric here. I tea-dyed this flower. I thought it went perfectly up here, and some sari silk, just more of that flow cascading look. Made a little ribbon, put a little antique button here, and I think it's just gorgeous. Inside, a bunch of various different types of papers. Just full, flat out open. I left it like this so that you could add, you know, some of the stuff from here or your own stuff. Take the folio apart, put it in here. However you want to do it, it is yours. It is up to you. But I wanted to make sure also, it's a journal, you know, plenty of room to write. And there are two signatures here. So just lots of room. Oh, I want to clip that real quick. All right. Well, I hope that y'all have loved looking through that with me. And like I said, it will be in my Etsy shop. In fact, it should be there by now, by the time that you're watching this. And I thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.